Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss one important interview question which I faced in Coforge, that is converting string into different data types. So let's do that. So let me go to my IntelliJ and let's create one class. Let's say string conversion test. So in that, let me create one main method. So let me create one value like string, let's say str is equal to 1 2 3, like it is in integer string format. So that string I want to convert it into integer. Okay, and add into an integer and show the result. Okay, so let's declare the integer. Let's say int I is equal to, or let's say int a is equal to 5. Okay, so then what I'm going to do, I will write down int, let's say int suppose number is equal to, how exactly I will convert the string to integer. So I will write down integer dot parse int of str. Okay, that's how it will convert the string into integer. Then what I will do, I will just write down int sum is equal to a plus num. Okay, so I will write down system.out.println and I will display sum. So it should display 128. Okay, let's see that. Okay, perfect. So it printed 128. Similarly, let's do for float. That means let's say there is one string and we want to convert that string into float. So let's write down float a is equal to, let's say 5 point, let's say 1 4. Okay, one second. Let's say 5 point. Okay, so it will be, let's say 123.1, so 5.1, let's say. One second guys, one second. So convert it into float. Okay, so yeah, I made a mistake. So it will be 5.1 f. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will convert the string into float. Okay, so what I can do here, let's say float num is equal to float dot parse float. So instead of integer, it will be float dot parse float. Okay, I'll pass the string. Then what I'm going to do, float sum. Float sum is equal to a plus num. So let's run this and it will provide the addition of float, that means 128.2. So let's run this Okay, see, perfect. Then similarly, let's do it for let's say double. So let's say it will be 25 and I will make it as 15. So instead of float I will write down double. Okay, then here also I will write down double, and here also I will write down double. Okay, so let's run this, then it will return 128.40. Okay, so sorry, it will be instead of float it will be double. So double dot parse double. Okay, so let's run this. It will return 128.40. Perfect, 4. That's absolutely fine. So that's how we will convert, like from string to integer using parseInt, and from string to float using parseFloat. That means float dot parseFloat of particular string. Then from string to double you can do using double dot parse double of particular string. Okay, that's how it is. So I'll come up with some new interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Please like it, subscribe it, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks.